This has been a remarkable year, and it's been a remarkable summer. I've been at events all over the state that focus on a number of different issues, and the healthcare one in particular, I think, is the one that we're all most involved in. And so I think I see everyone. It looks like has your fans and you have your signs. Considering that we're all paid agitators, if anyone hasn't gotten their check, there's a line right over there on the other side of the bus. Before you leave, be sure you get that, because we're all doing that. Now, I think that it's been a remarkable exercise this year to see people come out and say, stop, hands off my health care, don't put taxes on energy, don't take away the right of a secret ballot and votes, those kinds of things. It is refreshing, and it is a testament to the American spirit and belief that we're going to stand up for things when, as Dave said, people want to take them away. I think, in talking about the health care issue, again, many of us saw the speech last night, and the remarkable thing is, the president, sometimes he acts like he gets it. There's been this talk about 47 or 50 million people are uninsured. Well, the president even had to back that off to 30 million. But when you do the analysis, it's 3 to 11 million. The president said yesterday in a speech, the vast majority of people have health care through their employers, and they're very happy with it. President Obama said that yesterday. If that's the case, what are they doing here? We're a country that we could, if we needed to figure out a way to provide insurance for 3 million or 5 or 10 or 11 million people, we can do that, and we can afford to do that. We don't have to nationalize 1/6 of the American economy to do that. And I think that's why, in events all over the country, that this bus and there were two that were going around the country in August have done, in the tea parties that I'm sure we've all taken part in, and the various things. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to tell the government, hands off my health care, hands off my energy, hands off my ability to live my life as a free American. And so I think if we look at health care, there are some things we can do. We can inject more freedom into the system. We can allow people to buy health insurance policies across state lines. We can allow them to buy health insurance policies that cover the specific things that we want, just like with the car insurance, But no, what the president said last night was they're going to put a whole bunch more mandates. They're going to put requirements on coverage that health insurance are going to have to provide, and you're going to have to pay for them. And if you don't have a policy, you'll get fined for having one. He says, yeah, everybody has to have a car insurance policy. That's true, but they don't have to have a car. And if they do have a car insurance policy, they can, there's that one company that says buy the minimum, there's a minimum with car insurance, not with the Obama administration with health care. There is going to be a very huge maximum policy, and every single person is going to have to, pay for that policy, whether they can afford it or not, whether they want it or not, whether they'll ever be able to use it or not. So that's why we're out here. That's why, this bus has been going. That's why we're doing the things that we're doing. That's why they're going to Washington for all of the events that are going to take place on Saturday, and that's why your participation in this is so important. So again, we have the petitions. I'm sure everyone has signed them now. Take some home. Have your family and your friends sign them, or go on the website, which is joinpatientsfirst.com. Again, you can do it through the link at WSPD or through the AFP website. I very much appreciate you coming out. This is how we tell the people in Washington to stop doing what they're doing, to keep their hands off all of those things that we find important.